Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this amazing and it's a unique new CarPlay adapter by Gearcast. This is called the Gearcast. So it's like basically just like 3-in-1 system. We also have wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto adapter, and then at the same time we can actually cast anything we want to the vehicle as long as it has CarPlay. So overall, really great device, but I really wish they could have improved on their unboxing experience just a little bit. So inside the packaging, we do get this simple user manual, gives all of the instructions you need to know, and then this is the packaging itself. So it may look a little confusing, but I'm gonna explain everything. So this is the this is the receiver part. This plugs into your vehicle's USB-A port, and like once we plug this into your vehicle, we can actually connect our phone directly to this via Bluetooth, just like in a traditional CarPlay adapter, and then we will have wireless Apple CarPlay in Android Auto. We also have this adapter, which goes from USB-A to USB-C if your vehicle only accepts USB-C. But of course, this does make it a little bit bigger in profile. So I really wish they did provide like a 90-degree. That way, it will just be still compact. And then this is the transmitter. So we only need this if you are going to do in a cast. If you're only using CarPlay, then we only need this. But for cast, we plug this in, and then this will just like cast your device. So we have USB-C, which plugs directly in your phone. Okay guys, so we are going to be testing this in the 2019 Cadillac XTS. So of course it's a USB-A, and we do have a USB-A option here as well, but I'm just going to plug into the USB-C. So they did include this adapter, which does come with this device. So it's going to go like this, and we're going to plug this in. So now we are going to go to your CarPlay section on your infotainment system right over here. It turns green. Now we're going to press on it. So now we have two options. So we have the CarPlay option and we have the mirror option. So if we are going to be doing CarPlay, then we're just going to connect our phone via Bluetooth. So we're going to first showcase that. And now we're going to go to your phone settings, connect it via Bluetooth, and it will just act as a Bluetooth CarPlay adapter. So it should pop up right over here. Okay, there you go. Now I'm going to press on it. And now we should get the option to use CarPlay. Press accept. Okay, yeah, so there you go. We have CarPlay on right now, and it just works fantastic, just as we have with other CarPlay devices. And now I'm going to also be doing the test, how long it takes for it to reconnect. And for this case, I'm just going to take it out. So I have it unplugged, and I'm going to plug it back in just as you were restarting the vehicle. So let's see how long it takes. Okay, yeah, so there you go, it's back on. I mean, it does take a little longer compared to other CarPlay adapters, but at the same time, we do have the feature to actually cast anything we want from your device to the phone. So now, and if we are going to be doing the casting function, you're going to actually go back. You're going to press this arrow on the top. Now we have this function. We're going to press on a mirror. So for the mirror function, we do use this adapter which they sent with the device. So what we're going to do is, this is USB-C. We're going to plug this into your phone. Okay, so we have it plugged in. We do have the light showing up right over here. And we're going to unlock your phone. And now, once we press next over here, now it says please plug and have it and unlock your phone. There you go, it's unlocked. So now we have everything running over here, but now it can just be playing a YouTube video, playing Netflix or anything you want. And there you go, we have the full, and like also the audio is actually coming through the speakers in the vehicle. So you still do get the factory option to lower and raise your volume. And of course, this does depend the resolution that the higher like vehicle's infotainment system have. If you do have a good resolution, you will get like the better quality everything. And This is like really like a unique thing because we do get the option to just use regular CarPlay and then at the same time just use the cast function. And if I want to go back, I can just press this on the side. Now we just go back directly to CarPlay. I can press over here, use mirror, and then it will just go directly to the mirror if you have the device already plugged in your phone and unlocked. And I'll leave the link down below, so please do go check them out. And I will also leave the link down below on Amazon as well.